Good afternoon. Please state your name, then ang strand mo sa Sunrise School.
My name is
Okay, so my first question, why did you choose AB English Language course?
I just want to learn English because
AB English.
I just did English because it's related to English because I enjoy learning English and want to learn.
That's it. So thank you, Miss. Good afternoon, Miss. Please state your name and strand sa Senior High School. Okay, so my question is, kumusta ang iyong mga qualifying exam? Is it difficult ba or easy para sa inyo? Okay, so as an becoming EB English language student, so ano ang mga gina-expect mo sa sunod na program? So thank you, ma'am.
Ano ang nabatsyagan mo bilang isa Kamalog fourth year?
For me, ang naka-feel ko kay incoming fourth year ako is pressure. Kaya syempre, last year nyo na, so ride or die na lang din. So ang naka-feel ko is, may thoughts lang ako thoughts like, if kaya ko ayahan, if ma-survive ko ayahan, but being a positive person, I will try. Kaya mo na ito try.
So, thank you, Ms. Amelia, for your wonderful answer.
Alright, so good afternoon, ma'am. Please state your name and strand sa Senior High School.
I am Ana Rose Cabarles, yung student at Plaza National High School.
Okay, so my question is, na-pili mo mas kailangan ng issue?
Yung pili ko is bilangan ang niso kay tungod dili lang gid ang lapit ka dili lang gid ang makayanan sa parents kung mag-eskwela sa akot ka ang niso is ano dili lang graduate ang mga relatives ko man kag lang so kita ang ipili ko tungod ka ay sa kadamon sa mga nag-graduate na din mga student.
That's it. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please state your name and strand sa Senior High School.
My name is Hannah Maria Bopal from the Social National High School. Graduated in yung Social Science.
Wow. So, kumusta ang qualifying exam?
Mabudlay, sir, pero di kaya kahit kanina ka, sir.
Wow, that's the positive spirit. So, ako no question, nga pinili mo ang EB English Language Program.
Yung pili kong ibigin ko, sir, kaya acting kung basta ako ng magulang at ako naging sa our course. Sa gusto ko mag-improve ang aking skills sa paglabas ng English.
So, good morning, ma'am. Can you tell me your name and your course also?
My name is Shruti Isabel Ramos. I am an AB English Linguistic Studies student third year.
So, who inspired you to take this program?
Honestly, for me, who really inspired me to take this program are two of my aunts. Both of my aunts are English teachers. And actually, when I grew up, they were the ones who taught me how to speak English, and later on I kind of developed my love for English because of them, and I always thought of them as my inspiration.